Hi, welcome to Candi Entertains. Today we are making my brown butter snickerdoodles, and this recipe is just in time for Christmas. So let's get started. So first we are going to start with combining our dry ingredients, which are the flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and a little kosher salt. I know you're thinking salt, I'm baking, but you always want a little pinch of salt whenever you bake. It just brings out the actual sweetness in whatever you're baking. So you just want to whisk until everything is well combined, and then we are going to combine the wet ingredients in a separate bowl. So in my bowl I have a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to put a half a cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. To that we are going to add 2 eggs, and then the star of the show, that lovely brown butter that we browned up in the beginning. This will make sure our cookies have a nice nutty flavor. And you just want to combine everything until it's nice and smooth. So now everything, all the wet ingredients are combined nicely, and we're going to just slowly incorporate our dry mixture with the flour and other ingredients. You don't want to dump it in all at once, just kind of slowly add it and let it incorporate. Our dough will slowly start to form. So our dough is all finished. I have a little simple mixture here of cinnamon and sugar. You want to form your dough into small little balls, and we're just going to roll each little ball in the cinnamon and sugar mix and then bake them on 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. So growing up, my mom always made snickerdoodles for me because when I was a kid, I didn't really like chocolate. So she used to make me these snickerdoodle cookies, and I just loved them, especially around the holidays. This is another great way to get the kids involved if you want to bake cookies for Santa on Christmas Eve. Get them involved. They will love rolling this cookie dough in the cinnamon and sugar. Alright guys, my brown butter snickerdoodles are all finished and they look so good. It's my favorite time. Taste time. They're soft, luscious. The brown butter just comes through. Everything comes together. They take me back to my childhood. You all have to make this for your kids, for Santa, for your next cookie exchange, your next office holiday potluck, whatever it is, make it. I guarantee it will be a hit. Well, I have to go. I have a lot of cookies to eat. Merry Christmas to you and your family, and I hope you have a happy new year. Until next time, thank you for watching and subscribing to Candi Entertains.